All right, guys, today we are working on simplifying expressions. However, our simplifying expressions are going to be more than just expanding, and they're going to be more than just combining like terms. It's actually going to put both of those skills together. So let's think back to when we did those, okay? So when we combine like terms, something we need to remember is that we're going to put circles around all of our variables. So for example, in here, we have a 5t plus a 9t. We combine those and we get 14t. We're going to put a square around all of our constants. So I'm going to put a square around negative 7. So be careful to remember your subtraction and your negative signs. And I'm going to put a square around plus 4. When I combine those, I get a negative 3. So my combined like term simplified expression is 14t minus 3. Okay, remember we said we cannot combine coefficients with constants because we don't know what that variable t is. So that's what we did when we combined like terms. When we expanded expressions, we took the factor that was on the outside and multiplied it to everything that was on the inside. So for example, we have negative 8 times r. Negative 8 times r would give us a negative 8r. Negative 8 times positive 6 would give us a negative 48. Negative 8 times 4x would give us a negative 32x. Okay, so that's how we combined like terms. That's how we expanded expressions. Today, we're going to be using both of those skills in a single problem. So for example, if we have 5 parentheses p minus 2 plus 2 parentheses 3p plus 1, we can use both of those skills to get this down to a simplified expression. So always, first thing that we're going to do is we're going to first distribute. Anytime you see that you have something that needs to be expanded or distributed, that's what you're going to do very first thing. So first things first, we're going to take 5 times p and we get 5p. Then we're going to take 5 times negative 2 and get our negative 10. But we have more to distribute. We can also distribute over here. So we're going to distribute 2, this is a positive 2, times 3p. So we get plus 6p. Positive 2 times positive 1 is a positive 2. So we have a plus 2. Okay, so now we've distributed everything out that we need to distribute. Then what you're going to do is you're going to combine like terms. So for example, on this case, we're going to put circles around all of our variables, which is a p. So we're going to circle our 5p and our plus 6p. When we combine those, we get 11p. Okay. Now we're going to put squares around all of our constants. So I'm going to put a square around a negative 10. I'm going to put a square around my plus 2. When I combine those, I get a negative 8. So I have 11p minus 8. Now, I can't combine anything else because I have a variable, I have a coefficient attached to that 11 there. So my final answer, my final simplified expression is 11p minus 8. Okay, so 2 steps. First distribute, then combine all of your like terms.